Hey there, welcome back to another quick and practical session with Topictrick. If you're just tuning in and want to dive deeper into mainframe automation and scripting with Rexx, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a full course designed to take you from beginner to confident scripter, step by step. All right, in today's session, we're focusing on the building blocks, comments, formatting, and the basic syntax of Rexx. This is one of those foundational topics that, once you get it right, makes everything else easier to write and understand. Let's start with comments. Comments in Rexx are very straightforward. You use a / followed by an asterisk to begin a comment. That's /*, and an asterisk followed by a / to end it. That's */. Everything between those symbols is ignored by the interpreter. Comments are perfect for adding notes to explain what your script is doing. For example, to comment something like, "This script processes daily job logs," you'd write /*, "This script processes daily job logs, */". One thing to remember, Rexx doesn't support single-line comments like double / or hash symbols. So always use /* and */ to wrap your comments. Next up, formatting. Rexx is pretty forgiving here. Each instruction goes on its own line. You don't need semicolons or curly braces to end statements. Just a new line will do. That helps keep the code clean and easy to follow. Indentation isn't required by the interpreter, but adding a few spaces for clarity, especially in conditional blocks, makes your script easier for others to understand. Here's an example. Say, "Hello, user. Name equals Alex." If name equals Alex, then say, "Welcome back." That simple structure is easy to read, easy to write, and runs just fine. Now about basic syntax. Assigning values is done using the equal sign, just like in most programming languages. So you can write name equals Alex Strarst. That sets the variable name to the string Alex. Rexx treats everything as a string. That means whether it's text or a number, it's stored the same way internally. The nice part is, you don't have to worry about types. Need to do some math? Operators like plus, minus, asterisk, and / are all supported. Want to combine two strings? Just write them next to each other with a space in between, like greeting equals hello name. This will output hello Alex. And when using functions, don't forget the parentheses. Even if the function doesn't take any arguments, you still need to include empty parentheses. For example, -date today equals date open and close parentheses. That grabs the current date and stores it in the variable. The bottom line here, keep it clean, keep it simple. With Rexx, readability is everything, and following these basics ensures your script is solid. All right, that wraps up our quick look at comments, formatting, and basic syntax in Rexx. Thanks for sticking around. If you found this helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check out our complete Rexx course on Udemy. We'll see you in the next one.